I got drunk on a skunk and put a thing. Good job, I'm the prototype.
Bend forward.
Oh,
that's not short enough. That's not even cutting it. What do you got? Steel wool hair?
It's not going anywhere.
It's not really cutting. Oh my god.
you're nuts. It's not cut, I can see it falling.
Really?
Hardly though.
Really? Look, there's nothing there.
Yes, I'm used to cutting.
Oh!
Oh! There it goes.
Holy shit.
Got a layer off.
That's not too bad.
Still can't see your skin there. Wayne, you sure you want to keep going on with this, huh?
Too late now.
Oh my
God.
Look at that.
Wait, do you realize
We got a lot of hair on the back of your head.
You're so mean to do
We could go lower.
Oh my gosh.
Should I do it?
Don't you dare.
Why? I've never shown you what I mean.
Don't.
Cut that short, really.
Oh no, just looks like you're shaving a dog. Well, at the shoot fish.
How's Mo doing?
Fine. She loves her job. They are pampering her. Dry cleaning, laundry free, everything's free. She said that they put them up in exclusive hotels, and they come back
There's that
for
noise.
the night, and they come back for the night, and her bed is turned
No,
out.
it doesn't hurt, Wayne.
Fine.
You look good with it like that.
Ah, breathe. I love it.
Was it nice? You know, it's not hot.
Look at all the dog hair down there.
It doesn't look that much different. Really?
Yeah, it really doesn't. I'm surprised. I guess I should really start sticking out.
Ah, what a...
Better though.
What,
Think about it.
what a jerk. Oh, no, don't do the spot. Oh, there's nothing there now. No, do the spot. I hate the spot. I think Wayner's laughing. Yeah, I can do the spot. Oh! I don't know what the stuff is on your head. What?
Skin, Wes.
You like it? Should I look down or... Go shorter?
Wait, turn your head. Okay.